Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is live. Here is a picture of a family living somewhere. Here is live in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Live means make one's home in a particular place or with a particular person. Live. Past progressive was living, past lived. Present progressive living, present live. Future will live. Let's build a sentence. The family will live. Today, we will use the future tense. Let's build a sentence. The family will live. Where? Where will they live? The family will live in a house. Okay. Let's build a sentence. The family will live in a house. Which? Which house? The family will live in a new house. Oh, all right. So upgrade. Let's build a sentence. The family will live in a new house. Where? Where is the new house? The family will live in a new house in the country. Well, that's a nice place to live. Let's build a sentence. The family will live in a new house in the country. Why? Why will they live in the country? Because they need a bigger house. I wonder why. Let's build a sentence. The family will live in a new house in the country because they need a bigger house. Why? Why do they need a bigger house? For their new baby. They have a new baby. See how we built the sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.